Investigators with the Tippecanoe County Sheriff's Office are still looking for the person who stole a sheriff's deputy's rifle. The deputy's car was broken into around 2 in the morning last Monday. It was parked at the Southern Winds Apartments in Lafayette. Investigators say someone smashed a window and stole an AR-15 and one magazine of ammunition from inside. The sheriff's office is still looking for the person responsible. If you have any information on the stolen gun or the suspect, you're asked to call the sheriff's office at 765-423-9321 or leave an anonymous tip on the We Tip hotline at 800-78-CRIME.